Welcome back to Raisin Bud. I know I got pretty late for this tutorial, but there are still some time left for you to make your own handmade raisin rakhi. So without further ado, let's get started. Before we dive into the crafting, let's take a quick look at materials we will need for our raisin rakhi. These are some pigments. I'm going to choose 2 pigments. You can choose as much as you want. Rakhi molds easily available at craft stores or online. Mica powders. These are the cheapest mica powders I found on Amazon. As you know, mica powders are quite costly, so these are the best option for beginners and first time users to do experiment with it. Different glitters for the dazzling effect. These are also from Amazon. Metallic stickers and some sequences. You can skip them if you don't have it. And of course, your imaginative spirit. I have already mixed my raisin. As I always say, carefully read the instructions on your raisin kit and follow them to mix the raisin and hardener in correct ratio. Make sure to do this in a well ventilated area and use gloves to protect your hands. Now, using my old mixing cups for dividing raisin into 4 parts. You can always reuse your old mixing cups once raisins get dried in it. After dividing, I will keep aside the remaining raisin. Now, let's add the color and mica into raisin. As you can see, I am adding small amount or pinch of mica powder to it and slowly mixing it until the color is evenly distributed, and with the very same method, mix other colors too. You can try different colors of vibrant range for Rakhi. I have kept aside the resin for 10 to 15 minutes so that it's get thick enough and will separate the colors from each other. It's time to pour the resin into our Rakhi mold. You can pour the color according to your combination. Be careful and avoid overfilling. I'm going to be little bit creative here with my Rakhis. Like for this design, I have poured 4 layers of colors and trying to make some kind of thrill design. Let's see whether we'll success or not. And for these one, I have filled the half mold with color and another half with clear resin. Spraying rubbing alcohol to make sure our Rakhis are bubble free, and in these last ones, filling them half with one color and half with another. Now adding some sequins and glitter in some of my Rakhis. You can mix your sequences and glitters with resin and then add into mold. Now that we have added all the elements to our Rakhi, let's set it aside to cure in a dust-free area. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. I have made this bookmark from leftover resin. The resin is completely cured now. Let's demold our Rakhis. To make Rakhis more beautiful, I have added metallic stickers and now pouring second layer of resin. If you are a beginner, you can choose to not demold the Rakhi to save yourself from this hassle. Just simply add your sticker on the front side of mold and add the thin layer of resin. I am doing this because I like backside design more. Now our Rakhis are completely cured and ready. Now it's time to give the Rakhis a finishing touch by adding threads, pearls and tassels. Don't add too many pearls. I am using Fevicol to secure the ends of thread and making easy to add pearls. If you enjoyed this DIY project, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting crafting ideas. One more thing, please let us know, do you like to talk about materials in the starting of video or you want me to give you a rough idea of materials in the making process itself? Please leave a comment about this. Thank you so much for joining us today. We'll see you in the next video.